Hello, my dear students. I am your master Samanto. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your math magic. The chapter is Be My Multiple, I Shall Be Your Factor. And this chapter is related to factors and multiple chapter from your LCM book. Okay, and listen, from this chapter we will learn some selected page. Okay, to improve your knowledge you can learn all, but here we will learn some selected pages. Okay, come to page number 89. Write any 10 multiples of 5. Any 10 multiples of 5. So how to find multiples of 5? So 5 into 1, 5 into 2, that means what? Product of 5 with any counting number. 5 into 3, okay, and so on. Okay, so 5 into, so 5, 10, look, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and so on. Okay, here are the 10 multiples of 5. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, you can write directly or you can write in this way. You can write in this way. Okay, here asking for any, so you can take this or you can take others also, no problem. Come to here, common multiples. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle. Look, red circle indicates, that means inside the red circle there are multiples of 3, and inside blue circle there will be the multiples of 5. Okay, so first write the multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. Okay, so what will you write here? So my dear student, you first draw this circle in your copy, okay, and then write it, and mention the page number. As there is no self practice or exercise, you write the page number 91. This is from page number 91. Okay, so here look, inside red circle you will write 3. Okay, you will write 6. Why? Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. Okay, you will write, and here inside blue write 5, 10. Okay, my dear students, look here, 15 here and 15 here also. So 15 is common multiple of 3 and 5. So if it is common multiple, write here inside the purple part. Now just see, is it inside red or is it inside blue? Look, 15, yes, this is the red circle, obviously it is inside red circle, and this is the blue, obviously it is inside blue circle. So my dear students, look, some multiples are common and we will write the common multiples inside this purple area. Is it clear? Okay, so what other common multiples you have seen here? Look, 30, here also 30. Okay, so write 30 also. Okay, next is what? 45. Look, 45 is here, 45 also here. Okay, so right here 45. Okay, so others you write here and here others. Okay, now come here. Which is the smallest among these common multiples? Smallest among these. Look, what are the common multiples? 15, 30 and 45. So which is smallest? 15 is the smallest. So write the answer 15. Is it clear, my dear student? So what we have, so what is 15? 15 is the smallest common multiple, and smallest mean least common multiple. That means 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. Is it clear, my dear student? Least common multiple you have learned. Okay, and here smallest and least are same, so smallest common multiples, that means the LCM of 3 and 5. Mind it. Okay, next, repeat the game using the number 2 and 7. Okay, so for 2 and 7 you have to find the common multiple. There are so many common multiples, we will find the two common multiples. Okay, so first write here multiples of 2. Okay, next multiples of 7. In your copy you write it. Okay, now see here, look, multiples of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 like this, and 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 like this. Okay, what are the common? Look here, 14, here also 14, here 28, here also 28. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so write the common multiples of 2 and 7 are 14 and 28. Okay, there are so many common multiples, that's why you have written here etc. Okay, and write the answer here, 14 and 28. Is it clear, my dear student? Next, repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circle. Okay, look here, inside the red circle there are all multiples of 4, inside yellow multiples of 6, inside blue multiples of 5. Okay, so before starting the question, first write it. Okay, so this is multiple of, these are the multiples of 4, these are the multiples of 5, and these are the multiples of 6. Is it clear? Now come to the question. Write what common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? My dear student, look here, the green part, this is the green part. Now see one thing, look, the green part is inside blue circle, is inside yellow circle, but is it inside red circle? No, look, no, look, this is outside, this is outside of red circle. That means this, the numbers will be here, that will be not multiples of 4. Okay, so what will be inside green? Inside green there will be multiples of 5, multiples of 6, not multiples of 4. Is it clear? Okay, so first check it. Okay, multiples of 5 and 6, and which they are common. Look here, 30, here also 30, 60, here also 60, 90, here also. Okay, as a record we will write up to 90. Okay, so here what are the common multiples? 30, 60, 90. But my dear students, look here, 60 also multiples of 4, so we will not write here, 60 on the green part. Why? Because green part is outside of red circle. Okay, so write 30 and 90. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, if you not understand, just rewind the video and see it, very easy. Okay, now what the common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in orange part. Okay, just see, look, orange part inside red, yes, orange part inside yellow, yes, but is it inside green? Is it inside blue circle? No, look, blue circle is here, it is outside. So inside of orange part you will write the multiples of 4, you will write the multiples of 6, but not the multiples of 5. Just mind it. Is it clear? Not the multiples of 5. Okay, so this is multiples of, these are multiples of 4, and here these are the multiples of 6. Just check, look here, 12, here 12, here 24, here also 24. Is it clear? Okay, but see here, is there any 12 and 24? No, that means 12 and 24 are not the multiples of 5. Okay, so you can write 12 and 24 inside the orange part. So write 12 and 24 inside orange part. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, next, in which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? Look here, the gray color part. Look, this portion is inside red circle, inside blue circle, inside yellow circle. Okay, so it will be gray colored part. Okay, next, what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? Smallest common multiple, that means least common multiple, that is the LCM. Okay, so it will be what? Look here, what are the common? First we have to find the common. Here look, 60 is multiple of 4, 60 is multiple of 5, and here 60 multiple of 6. Okay, so have you seen other multiple which is common in all these three? No. Okay, so 60 is the smallest, so answer will be 60. And LCM of 4, 5 and 6 is equal to 60. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, hope you understand it. Now, in how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw three of them below. We have to write it here. Look, first here given for 18 here it is given. What pair you have take 2 and 9. That means you have to take a pair whose product will be 18. Okay, so can you take other? Yes, obviously you can take 3 and 6. Okay, look, 3 is prime number, so we will stop here. Okay, next 6, 2 and 3. Okay, look, these are the factor trees of 18 in different way. Now for 24 you have to write. Okay, for 24, 2 and 12. Okay, look, 2 is prime number, we will stop here. Next for 12, 2 and 6. Okay, again 2 is prime, we will stop here, but 6 is composite, 2 and 3. Okay, this is one way. Another way, what you can take, look, we can choose 4 and 6. We can choose 4 and 6. Okay, now for 4, 2 2s are 4, and for 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so this is also a factor tree of 24. My dear student, what pair you will choose, but take that last step. See, the last step will be same. Look here, 2 2 2 and 3. Here also 2 2 2 and 3. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so this is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, do it at home taking another numbers. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, hope you understand. Thank you. Prepare it.